Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, everybody? I am also fine by the Almighty Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we will listen about my parents from Toha. Toha, stand up. How are you? How are you?
I am fine.
Toha, say that about my parents.
Good morning, everybody. Now I will talk about my parents. My parents are very kind and loving. My mother is gentle and sweet. She cooks very tasty food for us. My father is hardworking and honest.
জি, এতটুকু বলছি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ তোহাকে। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ।